Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable approvals in any SharePoint list. Previously, this feature was limited to just 2 default templates, but now it's available across all templates, which is huge benefit for all the users. So let's dive into how we can create custom approvals list and leverage this powerful feature. First, let's create a new list. Start by going to your site content, click on New, then select List. From here, choose the blank list template. Let's give our list name. I'll call it Approvals. You can also add a description such as Custom Approvals List. Once done, click Create. Now we have our list created. Let's enable the approval feature. At the top of the page, you will see Automate dropdown. Click on it, and from the drop-down, select Configure Approvals. A pop-up will appear with the toggle to enable approvals. Turning this on will automatically add an approval status column to your list view. This feature allows user to submit approvals request for any items in the list. Once a request is submitted, it sends a notification to the designated approver via Microsoft Teams, making the approval process seamless. Now let's see how we can use this feature. First, we will create a new item in this list. To do that, click on Add New Item button. This will open a model with input field like title and attachment. For this demo, I'll give the title PO approval request and leave the attachment field blank. Then click on Save. Once saved, you will notice that the approval status for the item is not submitted and it is clickable. Click on it and another model will open asking for approval details. By default, the title of the item will be shown in the name input box, but you can edit it if needed. Now specify the approver's name and remember you can add multiple approvers. When more than one approver is added, the required response from all approvers toggle become enabled. You can leave it on or disable it depending on whether approval is required from all approvers or just one. You can also provide any additional information in the details text area. After filling in all the required information, click Submit. You will see a message indicating that the approval request is being created. And once it's done, the approval status will change to Requested. For this demonstration, I have added 2 approvers, and both are required to approve the request. This flexibility allows you to customize the approval process based on your needs. Now, let's take a look at what approvers see in the approval window. The approvers will receive notification in Microsoft Teams where they can manage and approve the request, ensuring they stay up to date with any approvals. In the approval window, approvers have the option to delegate the approval request to someone else, reject the request, or simply approve it. And there you have it. Now you can enable approvals on any SharePoint list, streamlining your processes and keep everything in check with real-time Teams notification. If you have found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more SharePoint tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.